Hello. Today I'm pleased to share with you certain ways that Wavelink Velocity can help you accelerate productivity in your mobile workforce. Wavelink has been delivering mobile productivity solutions for 3 decades, back to the days when your workers carried mobile computers that ran DOS operating systems with 8, 4 or even 2-line displays, which had as many as 50-something keys. So much has changed since then in terms of mobile computing form factors, operating systems and wireless connectivity capabilities. But one thing hasn't changed. Deploying mobility to your workforce has always been about enabling them to accomplish more work in less time. When you consider the market for enterprise mobility devices today, you have a broad range of options. You can still obtain rugged devices, and some still have a good number of keys. But as the Android OS has made its way into the rugged mobile device market, numerous devices have shifted to an all-touchscreen form factor. You also have the option of deploying consumer devices where they make sense, further broadening your hardware options and adding iOS to your list of operating systems, alongside Android, Windows CE, Windows Mobile, as well as Microsoft's much anticipated Windows 10. As mobility evolves in the context of hardware and operating system options, so must the mobile application experience, so that workers can take full advantage of what these new device form factors and operating systems have to offer. Wavelink Velocity is a revolutionary platform that totally transforms your host application experience. It transports your users into a world of touch-enabled, visually intuitive tools. They can accelerate the navigation of tasks and ultimately accomplish much more during their workday. Let me illustrate what I mean. Here you see a traditional Wavelink terminal emulation screen presenting information from a host-based warehouse management system. This text-based interface is fully functional and presents your workers with exactly what's needed at this stage in a task. However, the modern workforce wants information presented to them in a manner more consistent with the capabilities of these highly capable devices. Now, here's the exact same screen after it's been modernized automatically by the Wavelink Velocity client. See the difference? The modernized look makes for a very intuitive, navigable experience that leverages everything the device has to offer. Because users are more familiar with this type of experience versus a green screen application, you reduce training times and increase productivity. Velocity is built on a solid history of maintaining your host application investment and not introducing the risk and expense of host application migration or modification. All of this modernization happens right on the device, and in many cases it's completely automatic. No IT involvement required. This eases implementation and accelerates the timeline towards genuine productivity gains. Now, you must be asking yourself one more thing. What do I do about the data my workers have always been entering via physical keys on the mobile device? Optimizing the Velocity mobile productivity app for touchscreen devices has meant considering these kinds of needs as well. We've included the ability to create customizable on-screen keypads so you can provide workers with the relevant keys they would need for whichever screen they're viewing within the workflow. Limiting the displayed keys to only those that are required for the current screen or field increases accuracy, productivity, and profitability. Using our Velocity design tool, not only can you customize which keys are presented, you can also reformat information presented from your host system for the cleanest, most intuitive user interface available. Embrace the future of mobile productivity with Wavelink Velocity and start enabling your workers to do more. For more information, visit www.wavelink.com.